You retire on $100,000 in savings. It sounds impossible, right? But with careful planning, frugal living, and smart financial strategies, it is definitely possible. Retiring on a smaller eggs nest is not only possible, but it also can be very fulfilling. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to retire with $100,000. I will also show you how to live comfortably and enjoy your retirement with this amount of money. Stay tuned because I'm going to share with you some real life examples and insiders tips on how to make this work for you. Let's get into it. Step one is all about lowering the cost of living. This is key because it's all about the amount of money that you're spending. Keep in mind, the less you spend, the more your $100,000 will stretch. A major move may be relocating to an area that's less expensive, or should we say just more affordable. Whether it's in the US or abroad, let's look at some numbers for a better idea. For example, we all know that New York City is going to be far north of $5,000 if you're living in a comfortable environment. But again, it all depends on if you relocate to an area that probably within the city that's more affordable and desirable. If you move to the Midwest, you can definitely afford more and cut the cost of living probably by 50% or more. If you look abroad in countries such as Mexico, Portugal, Thailand, there are different standards of living in each of the countries named, as well as others, and a price associated with each standard. So it's all about finding that place that you're comfortable and you feel safe and that you can afford at a fraction of the cost. Now, international destinations such as Thailand, Mexico, and Portugal are very desired by U.S. expats, and many of them have retired and are living on a budget in those respective countries. These three countries offer an affordable lifestyle, affordable accommodations, lower healthcare, and a vibrant expat community so that you will not get lonely, which ultimately makes the transition to a new environment, new country much smoother. Imagine living by the beach in Thailand at a fraction of the cost you would pay to do the same thing in the United States. In these countries, your $100,000 will go much further and you still can have a very comfortable lifestyle. Now, if you stay in a more affordable location, living frugally is still very essential to making your savings last. But don't worry, frugal living doesn't mean that you're poor or that your life has to be boring. It's all about making smarter choices, guys. Let's talk about how to save on everyday expenses. By meal prepping, shopping secondhand, and avoiding high-cost entertainment, you can cut your living expenses significantly. And with the rise of sharing economy options like Uber, Airbnb, freelancing, you're able to not only save money, you can also make a lot of money. Let's just talk about Sarah. We'll just call her Sarah for the sake of conversation. She retired with only $90,000 in her account. By moving to a very small town and living a frugal lifestyle and adopting frugal living habits like cooking her meals and using public transportation, Sarah has managed to live comfortably without having to compromise any of her comforts, as well as not feeling deprived. Even in retirement, it's a great idea to supplement your income. You can do so with side gigs or part-time work or doing some freelancing. This does not just provide additional income, it also gives you purpose and also give you things to do. Not to mention, it does keep your mind active, guys. Let's explore a few options. Freelancing and remote work are ideal for retirees. You can work from anywhere, even while traveling. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Tutor.com allow you to pick up gigs on your own schedule. So you get to actually identify when you're going to use them. And don't forget, if you have extra room, you can always rent out that room on Airbnb. One other thing, just to make money, if you're a pet lover, you can always do some pet sitting. It could be very lucrative as well. Or even if you don't want to pet sit, you can actually do pet walking. Another way to make money, stay active while enjoying yourself. Another real life example, John, who retired at 65, wanted to make some extra money. Now he freelances and makes approximately $1,000 a month extra, which covers his expenses without even touching his savings. That could be you guys. So retiring with $100,000 is very much possible if you put your mind to it and you see it through. Social Security will be a very vital part of your income if you're retiring with $100,000 in savings. It is key to maximize your benefits by delaying when you start as long as you can. And here's the reason why. For instance, if you are 62 years old and you're due to collect $1,200 per month in Social Security benefits, if you delay collecting your Social Security to the age of 67, that $1,200 will be around $1,600 to $1,800. Not to mention, if you waited until the age of 70, you would possibly collect around $2,400. So as you can see, and these numbers aren't actual numbers, but it definitely reflects what happens when you delay your Social Security, which is the longer you wait, the more you will be able to collect, which could make a huge difference in your long-term strategy for your retirement. For every year that you delay collecting Social Security, your monthly benefit increases by approximately 8%. So if you hold off to the age of 70, you receive significantly more each month for the rest of your life. Just look at this example that I gave you. Mark, who retired at the age of 70, collects $2,400 a month in Social Security instead of $1,200 a month had he decided to start his benefits at the age of 62. It's a huge difference, guys. Another strategy that you can use if you're retiring with $100,000 in assets, you can use this money to invest. If you invest, you can generate some passive income. Even if you had just a small portfolio, you can create a stream of income that will definitely cover or help cover your monthly expenses. Whether it's dividend stocks, real estate, or peer-to-peer lending, these investments can provide you with a steady stream of income without you having to do any work. One of the biggest concerns in retirement is healthcare. To make your $100,000 stretch, you need to carefully plan your medical expenses. Look into Medicare, Medicaid, or supplemental plans to help keep the costs low. If you're living abroad, make sure you take a look at the policies that they currently have in place locally. And if you qualify, definitely consider getting their coverage to ensure that you are not going without coverage and that your medical needs are met. Not to mention, some retirees abroad consider medical tourism. They travel from country to country where healthcare costs are not very high and they pay out of pocket. This is another way that you could actually manage your costs by getting treated in a country where you know they have high quality care at a low cost and paying it out of pocket if you're relatively healthy. If you're not, then definitely secure some insurance. So is it possible to retire with $100,000? Absolutely. With the right strategy, by lowering your cost of living, living frugally, maximizing Social Security if you are qualified, investing smartly, and planning for health care, you can enjoy a fulfilling and financially secure future and retirement. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more financial advice, share this video with some of your family and friends, and let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this video or about future videos that you'd like to see. Until next time.